Kazuri Beads Factory and Pottery Center, 8 of the top attractions in Nairobi, Kenya. The Kazuri Bead Factory and Pottery Center is a good stop for those interested in local crafts. The ceramic beads, pottery and leather goods are all handmade by disadvantaged women. Kazuri means small and beautiful in Swahili and was chosen by the founder when she started the company with just 2 Kenyan employees in 1975. The factory now employs more than 400 women, most of them single mothers. Factory tours show the process of firing and glazing the beads, and take about an hour in total. On weekends the factory itself may be closed, but the shop remains open. The factory is a popular stop en route to other sites in the Kenyan neighborhood. Opening hours are 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m., Monday to Saturday, and 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., Sunday.